So today we're going to be creating a shopping list. Let's go with the double chocolate and Oreo cheesecake mirror glaze. You can see the list of ingredients below, and we're going to adjust the serving from 3 to, let's go with 6. Now we're going to select ingredients. I've realized I don't want all ingredients, and now I'm going to choose the ingredients that I want. Okay, on the top right hand corner, you should see the shopping list. Here, you can edit items as shown with the condensed milk on the screen. You can also add items manually, and it should appear on My Items below. Under My Items, you can delete items if needed, as shown on the screen. You can go back to the main page to choose another recipe. In this case, we are going to select all the ingredients on this recipe. And when you go on the shopping list, you should see both your recipes, including the one you manually entered, under your items. You can now either print the shopping list or email the shopping list. I'm going to email my shopping list. Thank you for watching this tutorial.